In the middle of lush green rice fields, a group of gentle cows is peacefully grazing. They look calm, enjoying the serene beauty of nature. These cows are not only cute but also friendly. From time to time, they let out their signature sounds, adding charm to the atmosphere. They live in harmony, undisturbed by the chaos of the outside world. The breeze and natural sounds blend with the cows and apos mooing, creating a peaceful countryside ambience. This scene is a gentle reminder of the beauty of natural life. Let's enjoy this moment together. Let the sounds of nature and their adorable behavior bring peace to our hearts.